National Weather Service in Miami has issued a flash flood warning for northern Miami-Dade County in southeastern Florida until 4:45 p.m. At 1:59 p.m., Doppler radar indicated thunderstorms producing heavy rain across the warned area. Between 2 and 3 inches of rain have fallen. Additional rainfall amounts of 1 to 3 inches are possible in the warned area. Flash flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly. Hazard: flash flooding caused by thunderstorms. Source: radar. Impact: flash flooding of small creeks and streams, urban areas, highways, streets, and underpasses, as well as other poor drainage and low-lying areas. Some locations that will experience flash flooding include Hialeah, Miami Gardens, North Miami Beach, Aventura, Opa-locka, Miami Shores, Golden Glades, Hard Rock Stadium, Westview, Pinewood, West Little River, Oches, Biscayne Park, St. Thomas University, United States. Turn around. Don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most flood deaths occur in vehicles. Be aware of your surroundings and do not drive on flooded roads.